Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Again, it is a simple question. By the aptitude wise, it is a simple question. But when it comes to the attitude, psychological part, or else a pattern wise, it is a tougher question. Okay? If you have a general knowledge about what is intangible, even the dictionary knowledge about the intangible thing is way more enough to answer these kind of questions. Again, it is one of the easiest question. Okay, so the question is about consider the investments in the following assets: brand recognition, inventory, intellectual property, mailing list of clients. Okay, how many of the above are considered as intangible investment? Okay, so the question is simply about, if you know what is intangible, you can easily answer this question. Okay, so the basic idea or a dictionary meaning of the intangible, that itself enough to answer these kinds of questions. Okay, so it is again a some of the easiest question. Try to find these kinds of questions. Okay, but as a pattern wise, it's a tougher question. So you just leave it and come after 1 hour, and while you are reading through this question, it is some of the easiest question. Okay, so try to answer these kinds of questions. First of all, what is intangible? The thing that doesn't have a physical nature, that is intangible. Okay, see, things like there is intangible property rights that things also happening, we are speaking. Okay, and also the languages, that is also an intangible thing. Okay, and there are many things like list of clients, that data what I am holding. Okay, the present day is about data only. Okay, it's a data market, so data is also an intangible thing. Okay, and then there is we are speaking about the copyrights, patent right, intellectual property rights. All these things are the intangible things. Okay, so these are the things that comes under the intangible. With this broader knowledge, you can easily answer this question. Okay, let's get into the question. First thing, intangible investment. Okay, if you are investing in the brand recognition, brand is actually an intangible thing. Okay, Raymond. Okay, when it comes to the clothing brand, Louis Phillips, Raymond. Okay, when it comes to the mobile phones, like iPhone. Okay, so it is a brand. Okay, so if you are investing on some brand, means that is actually a investments on the intangible thing. See, please note that I am not speaking about the product. Okay, I am speaking about brand recognition. Okay, so brand recognition is an intangible thing. Okay, I am not speaking about the product of that brand. Okay, next, just leave this inventory for a time. Okay, then third statement, intellectual property. Again, it is an intangible thing. Okay, mailing list of clients. Okay, you usually have a spam mail in your Gmail. Okay, which means there will be more of advertisement things that will just come into your mail. Okay, which means if I am having a set of mail IDs, I just sell it to some people for the advertisement. Okay, again, that is which means it doesn't have a physical property. It will change us. Okay, based on the data, based on the length of the data, that change that the list of clients, the list of mailing clients will change. Okay, so mailing list of clients is also an intangible thing. Okay, what about the inventory? See, inventory, it is a storage. Okay, which means if you are producing something and you are storing in the inventory. Okay, you store a product in only, you store the products. Okay, either it may be the raw material or a finished good or a semi-finished goods, that things are stored in the inventory. Okay, so it is about the goods, okay, which has the physical nature. Okay, so you can easily eliminate inventory. Okay, by that itself you can go for Option C, only 3. Okay, so again it's one of the easiest question. Okay, why they ask this question? Is there any connect between the current affair part? Yes. It's actually in 2023 February. Okay, acquisition cost of intangible asset now nil. Okay, there is a earlier there was a taxation related to the intangible assets, and the government with a new budget, they said that there is no taxation on the intangible assets. Okay, so such a way it is about purely a current affair part, and it's also a direct question. Okay, in this article itself, they spoke about what are the things are that intangible assets. Okay, in which there is brand recognition, copyrights, patents, trademarks, mailing list of clients, everything was in that in this article. Okay, so it is a direct question, direct current affair question. Okay.